pain isn't an accident. It's a message life only sends to people who are awake enough to feel it. Most people run from pain. They hide in noise, in people, in distractions, in screens. But the truth is, pain doesn't follow you. It lives inside you. You suffer because your heart is alive, because you see what others ignore, because you feel what others numb. Pain is the price of awareness, and awareness is the curse of the sensitive. In Islam, there's a beautiful line. Allah tests those He loves the most. Why? Because diamonds are made under pressure, and good hearts are purified through trials. Life doesn't hurt the weak, it hurts the honest, the real, the ones who can't pretend, the ones who carry storms inside their chest but still walk like they're made of calm. So if you ask, why pain? The answer is simple. Pain comes to those who are meant to evolve. Pain breaks the illusion so you can see the world the way it truly is. Not beautiful, not perfect, but real.